All right, today we're just taking a quick look at this cast iron grill. We were on the hunt for a high quality cast iron that we can put on our pellet grill to make it easier to cook things like vegetables, asparagus, things that need a flat surface so they don't fall directly through the grill or make contact with the flames. So we came across this one, and the brand was nice enough to send this out for us to review. Right out of the box, it's very clear that this is a nice high quality piece. It's very heavy duty. You can see on the bottom, it's got some nice supports that keep it directly off the heating surface. That will also help it conduct heat better for even cooking. And so this is actually considered cast iron, and typically we're used to seeing like that black metal, kind of a darker color. And initially I thought maybe this was a non-stick coating they had applied to it, but after closer inspection, it's actually not. It's just the color of the pre-seasoned metal. And I confirmed that by doing a little scratch test on the side here. You can see I just took like a little metal tool to it to see if anything flaked off, and it didn't. It just left a very fine marring, and to me that proves that it's not a non-stick spray-on coating that would then come off later. In actuality, it's just the color of the metal. It comes pre-seasoned. You can see it has kind of a little bit of an oil look to it. They say to keep that on there. They do sell this pan in different materials. We have the cast iron one here. They also do like a non-stick one and then also a ceramic. There's different benefits to each. I think this cast iron one is going to be the best though. There's no coatings to worry about. And then when you're done with it, you just clean with warm water. We're going to use it on our pellet grill and see how it does. You can see that the griddle is a perfect fit in this one. Dimensionally, our smoker grill is kind of on the smaller side. This griddle is the perfect size for us. We'll be able to cook our veggies up here. And then we have a little bit of room in the front for maybe hot dogs or burgers. All right, time to load her up. Gonna do some corn also. It came pre-seasoned, so it's already pretty non-stick. We added a little bit of extra olive oil. The corn is looking amazing already. So the peppers and the onions look about done already. I really love being able to cook this all on one surface now. Yummy. Quick non-stick check. You can see that most of it came off pretty easy. There's just a few onions that got burnt on there, but that should come off cleaning, no problem. So overall, super impressed with this. Does a really good job holding any food you don't want directly on the grill. Helps reduce the direct heat a little bit. Makes cooking veggies really easy. Non-stick seems to work pretty good as well. All right, now to answer my biggest question is how easy it is to clean. They claim it's a cast iron, but the finish to me looks a little bit different than that. Typically with a cast iron, you would use a metal, let's see, I actually have one. You use one of these. It's a stainless steel mesh to clean everything off because essentially you're just scrubbing metal on iron. And that's totally fine because you're not going to have any non-stick debris coming off. But they say to use gentle tools. So we're going to use just a wire brush, plastic nylon brush. All right, so after scrubbing with our nylon brush, you can see that all the debris came off. It has a little bit of staining, but that's not a big problem with cast irons, and it's pretty normal. This being kind of a lighter colored iron, it makes sense that you would see the darker stains that would typically be hidden by a normal cast iron. So yeah, no more debris. It cleaned off really well. Looks dirty, but that's just how these things are.